Welcome to today's quiz challenge. Can you identify countries just by looking at their map outlines? Number 1. Which country does this map outline represent? The correct answer is India. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area. Number 2. This country looks like a boot-shaped map. Which is it? The correct answer is Italy. Italy is known as the boot of Europe and is famous for pizza and pasta. Number 3. This country is the largest in the world by area. The correct answer is Russia. Russia spans 11 time zones. Number 4. Which country's map is often compared to a kangaroo? The correct answer is Australia. Australia is both a country and a continent. Number 5. This country looks like a maple leaf on the world map. The correct answer is Canada. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Number 6. This country has a long snake-like shape in Southeast Asia. The correct answer is Vietnam. Vietnam is famous for its rice terraces and pho noodles. Number 7. Which country is shaped like a diamond at the southern tip of Africa? The correct answer is South Africa. South Africa has 3 capital cities. Number 8. This country has a unique map that looks like 2 islands. The correct answer is New Zealand. New Zealand is made up of North Island and South Island. Number 9. Which country's outline resembles a dragon? The correct answer is China. China is the most populous country in the world. Number 10. This country has the shape of a triangle in North Africa. The correct answer is Egypt. Egypt is home to the ancient pyramids of Giza. Number 11. Which country is often compared to a handgun in shape? The correct answer is Turkey. Turkey connects both Europe and Asia. Number 12. This South American country is long and narrow like a ribbon. The correct answer is Chile. Chile stretches over 4,300 kilometers from north to south. Number 13. This country is shaped like an elephant's head. The correct answer is Thailand. Thailand is called the Land of Smiles. Number 14. Which country looks like an island teardrop below India? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for its tea and gemstones. Number 15. Which country is the only one shaped like a bear paw in Europe? The correct answer is Finland. Finland is known as the land of 1,000 lakes. Number 16. This Middle Eastern country's outline looks like a boot facing east. The correct answer is Oman. Oman has some of the oldest human settlements on Earth. Number 17. Which country looks like a triangle pointing into the Mediterranean Sea? The correct answer is Greece. Greece has over 6,000 islands. Number 18. This country is shaped like a leaf in South America. The correct answer is Brazil. Brazil is home to the Amazon rainforest. Number 19. Which country looks like a dog's head facing east? The correct answer is Mexico. Mexico introduced chocolate, corn, and chilies to the world. Number 20. This European country has a map that looks like a puzzle piece. The correct answer is France. France is the most visited country in the world.